Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be turning my day 7 straw set into a high puff, so stay tuned. So to begin this high puff style, I'm going to go in with Taylor Beauty's Moisturizing Mist. This mist refreshes and strengthens dry hair. So I'm going to spritz it around the perimeter on my hair and on my actual hair as well. And then I'm going in with the Grow Thick oil, and I'm going to smooth that on the perimeter of my hair as well. I'm going in with my pick so that I can fluff my hair out as much as possible, just to make my puff as big as possible. Last product I'm going to be using is the Taylor Beauty Jamaican Black Castor Oil Edge Control. This edge control tames and slicks all hair types. So I'm going to smooth that on the perimeter of the front, in the front of my hair. And then I'm going to use my hard bristle brush to brush that in. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the back before I do my puff. So now that everything is in place, I am going to take a medium-sized scrunchie and I am just going to pull that on my hair. I'm going to start with the back, pull it up to the position where I want the puff to be, and then I'll move to the front and just roll it up just a little bit, and there we have it, the perfect puff. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the edge control to lay down my edges just a bit, just to polish off the look. So now I'm going to put on my naturally unique earrings just to set the look off, and I am ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.